What's up guys, Express here back with another video. Now this video is something different. It's you guys redesigning my old designs. So in my Discord I put up a new chat where you guys can download my old PSDs, redesign what I designed before and make it your own spin, make it your own style. You can change the font, backing, whatever, but you have to keep the name and the theme. So yeah, you guys absolutely love that idea and I got a lot of submissions and I really love what you guys have done with it. Let me show you what the first designs were. So you got a really old school Sailor Moon header, which I kind of liked. It's simple text. I made also a tutorial on that text a while back, but it's simple, it's clean, and I really like it. And I think it's around 2 years old, but still a nice design. And then also a redesign on my old design, Konosuba header, which is also a really simple, clean design. And I thought, let's put them up and let's see what you guys do with it. So the first design that we have Eldrise. With this, he has changed the Konosuba one, just changed some positioning and some text and the background as well, I think. But overall it looks really similar, but it looks nice. I love the circles as well in the background. Those are a nice touch. Some more text would have worked in my design as well and made the text placement in the middle. So yeah, looks really nice, really simple, redesigned, but appreciate it. Okay, up to the next one we have Tomato. And he changed my Sailor Moon one. He completely changed the background. He kept the text, but he changed the renders. The renders are a nice old school kind of look, which I appreciate. I like that. And then I don't know what he did with the background. He just put another picture in there. It's just, I don't know if that fits the overall style. The hearts are a nice touch. Composition could be a bit better, but overall I appreciate it. Up to the next one, we have Ben, but it seems like he's not done yet, but time's up, it's been a week. He has this, which are really a lot of potential, but you know, it's closed down, yeah, but it looks really nice. I love what he did with the logo, with the color that he used, and the background as well. I think this is really nice, and I would love to see it finished, of course. So yeah, up to the next one, Yaro, with the Sailor Moon one. He kept the text as well, he changed up the renders. I really like this one. I like also, he kept the circles, like the, I don't know, the circles that I used. He kept those as well, but changed the renders as well. I love the main render, it's really cool. And the background is really filled in. I like this one. I like the brushes, it's really nice effect, like a nice little stroke pattern in front of it. I really like it, really nice job. And yeah, thanks of course for submitting. Okay, up to the next one we have Nova. I don't know if that's finished yet, but this has also a lot of potential. He also used my logo, and the background is similar to my one, which I appreciate. The render is also similar to my one, and the colors as well. I think the logo from the video spices up the whole overall banner, and I really appreciate you doing this. Up to the next one we have GOXING, I don't know, yeah, with the Sailor Moon one. He kept the text as well, totally different colors. I really like it. I also really like the blue renders with the color overlay on front of it in the back. The other background, I don't know if that fits the text. I would have just maybe done a different text then, but just you had to keep the name, of course, but you could have changed the font. But overall I think it has a lot of potential, but it hasn't been fleshed out as well as it could be. And up to the next one we have Zona with his Konosuba redesign. I think he just made mine better, in my opinion. He just made my kind of style better, and that's what I was looking for, just to spice it up, and he really did. The left side is not that empty as my original one, and also the render, the main render is the main render. I have two renders in the previous one, but I really like what he did with the background as well. Just put some more stuff into it, put some circles, put some text, this the clouds. It's overall, I really like it. I really like what he's done with my design. He completely redesigned it, and yeah, I don't know about the little Konosuba text area, the white one with the circle. I don't know if that fits, but I see what he was going for. Up to the next one we have Danny Crates, and he had chosen the Sailor Moon one, and not gonna lie, this is amazing. I really like this one. I love what he's done with the background. It's real nice. Also the circles, he used it as well. He changed the text, but he kept the Sailor Moon style. But overall I think he's done an amazing job with this. I love the renders, I love the right one, I love the left one, and then in the middle, like the heart is that's a really nice touch. and the text as well fits the overall theme. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite submissions. I really love this one. I'm probably gonna use this as my Twitter header. Up to the next one, we have Joy, where is also a submission of the Sailor Moon one. This is a completely different style and I really like it as well. I see that he used the wind effect that I use quite a lot in my recent designs. The text as well is really nice. I love that he used the same render but changed the color in the background. He used red and yellow, which is a nice combination for Sailor Moon, of course. And then the gradient map on top of the left renders is a nice fit. So yeah, that was it. That was you guys redesigning my old designs. Probably gonna do the monthly. This is probably gonna replace the top 10 series. Yeah, I haven't spoken about it, but yeah, this is probably gonna replace that. So every month I'm going to post a chat with redesigning my old designs. I'm gonna put the new designs, old designs, whatever designs. You guys redesign it and then I'll review it and see what you can improve and what I like about it, what I don't like about it. And yeah, just some more community stuff on this channel. I really appreciate that. I really like doing that. So yeah, probably gonna do a monthly redesign my old designs video to replace the top 10. I hope you guys enjoy this series. I can't wait to see what you guys make with the next one. The next one will be, of course, in October. So you guys have to wait just a tad. So yeah, appreciate you guys and see you guys in the next one, of course. Peace.